Canary seed milk. What it is and how to make it. Canary seed is a vegetable that's low in calories that has become popular all around the world. It has a high amount of essential nutrients and great health benefits. Canary seeds are only known as bird food. However, in reality they have an important place in human nutrition. This is especially true because of the enzymes and amino acids they provide. When they're dry, they have numerous nutrients. However, when you put them in water, they go through a series of chemical processes that increase their fiber, cellulose, and high-quality organic proteins. Besides the nutrients they provide you, they're perfect for improving your digestion. Canary seeds also boost liver function and detoxify your body. Since we know that many people still haven't tried it, in the following article we want to share the recipe for canary seed milk and the main benefits it gives you. How do you make canary seed milk? Canary seed milk is one of the lowest calorie vegetable drinks out there. Thanks to this, you can make it every day. Plus, it can be a supplement that helps you maintain a healthy weight. The preparation process is rather easy. However, it should be started the night before. Ingredients: 6 tablespoons of canary seed, 4 cups of water. Instructions: soak the canary seeds in a cup of water and let them soak overnight. The next morning, strain the seeds and put them in a blender with the rest of the water. Blend them on high speed until you get a drink that has a pale brown color. Strain this drink with a cheesecloth and throw away the remains. How to drink it. Drink a cup of canary seed milk for breakfast. Drink another cup 2 or 3 times over the course of the day. Canary seed benefits. Canary seeds are composed of 6 high-quality proteins and 8 dietary fiber, making this milk increases the canary seeds' enzyme content. Plus, this makes it helps your cells use glucose better. These properties, along with its vitamins and minerals, improve several health aspects if you drink it on a regular basis. It improves digestion. The enzymes found in canary seed milk support the digestive process. They also help to turn starch into glucose. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to slow irritation of your stomach lining. Thanks to this, it prevents heartburn and ulcers. It also helps to balance your bowel movements and prevents both constipation and diarrhea. It protects your heart health. This vegetable milk has become one of the greatest remedies for fighting against bad cholesterol, LDL, buildup in your arteries. Its antioxidant compounds help to prevent the formation of plaque. They also help to clear lipids away and prevent diseases like atherosclerosis. Among other things, it improves blood flow and helps to balance your sodium levels. This helps to prevent high blood pressure. It helps you lose weight. Because of its detoxifying and digestive properties, this drink has been considered a good supplement for people who are trying to lose weight in a healthy way. While this isn't a miracle remedy, its compounds help to clean toxins from your body. This keeps them from interfering in metabolic activity. On the other hand, its dietary fiber increases the feeling of being full. This reduces the need to snack on high-calorie foods. It fights liquid retention. Canary seed milk has a diuretic effect on your body. This increases your kidney function as a result. It helps filter liquids so that they're excreted through your urine. This characteristic helps people who are suffering from swelling or inflammatory diseases. This is because, by getting rid of fluids, you avoid complications and pain. It cleanses your liver. The antioxidants and natural enzymes in canary seed are both a great help for cleansing your liver. They also improve your liver function. The substances it has slow damage caused by free radicals. This drink also boosts the metabolism of fats, which keeps you from having slow digestion. It fights urinary tract infections. The nutrients this drink has helped to strengthen your immune system. This helps your body respond to infectious agents that affect your urinary health. At the same time, its diuretic work cleans your urinary tracts and bladder. This makes it easier to get rid of microbes that cause these diseases. Have you tried this delicious drink yet? Now that you know its benefits, don't hesitate to make it at home so you can get the most out of its benefits. You'll love it.